안녕하세요. Hello. Welcome back to William's Korean class. I'm here to help you learn Korean step by step. If you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends who also want to learn Korean. It would mean so much to me. In today's lesson, we are going to learn 4 more simple vowels. Ya, yo, yo, and you. These vowels are very easy to learn, and I'll show you a simple way to pronounce them correctly. Don't worry, you'll practice together, so let's get started. These are 4 vowels we are going to learn. They are made by adding a Y sound to some of the simple vowels we learned earlier. I will read each vowel twice. Please repeat after me. Ya, ya, yo, 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 you, you. Now let's go through each vowel and learn how to say and write them. All right, let's look at the first vowel, ya. This vowel is pronounced as ya, just like the beginning of the word yan and yat. To pronounce it, start with an open mouth for the a sound and add a slight y sound at the start. So it's ya. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Ya, ya, ya. Good job. Let's try it a few more times. Ya, ya, ya. Now, let's learn how to write ya. It has 3 strokes. First, draw a short vertical line from top to bottom. Next, add 2 horizontal lines from left to right. Let's practice together. First, the vertical line. Then add the 2 horizontal lines. Well done. Let's practice one more time. Vertical line and horizontal lines. It's not that straight. Well done. Now you know how to pronounce and write ya. Keep practicing the sound and the writing to get more comfortable with it. Now we have ya. It sounds like ya in young. Let's say it together. Ya, ya, ya. Let's say it a few more times to get comfortable. Ya, ya, ya. To write ya, start with 2 short horizontal strokes from left to right. Then add a vertical line going down from top to bottom. Let's try it together. 2 short horizontal lines, then the vertical line. Great. One more time. 2 across, and then down. Excellent. This vowel is yo. It sounds like yo as in yoga. Make sure your lips are slightly rounded when making the yo sound. Now let's practice pronouncing it together. Repeat after me. Yo, yo, yo. Great. Let's say it together one more time. Yo, yo, yo. Now let's learn how to write yo. It's very simple. First, draw two short vertical lines moving from top to bottom. Next, draw one horizontal line across from left to right. Let's try it together. Draw two short vertical lines and then one horizontal line. One more time. Two downs and one across. Good job, everyone. Keep practicing and you'll get it perfectly. Finally, we have you. It's similar to saying you and use in English, but with a rounder sound on the U. Repeat after me. You, you, you. To write you, start with a horizontal line from left to right. Next, add two short vertical lines going down from the horizontal line. Let's practice. Horizontal line first, then two vertical lines. One more time. One across and two downs. Excellent. We've learned 4 vowels. Let's review how to pronounce them together. I will read each vowel 3 times and I want you to repeat after me. Ya, 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 yo, 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 you, you, you. Great job. Keep practicing this sound to get even more comfortable with them. Now, I want to teach you the Korean syllables. Usually, Korean syllables consist of at least one consonant and one vowel. However, some syllables don't need a consonant sound at the beginning. For these cases, we use this consonant. It doesn't have a sound, and it is just there to fill the consonant position. For example, in a and this consonant is used to hold the place. So we only pronounce the vowel sound a and o. So please remember when you see this consonant at the start, it means there is no consonant sound, just a vowel only. All right, let's learn about this special consonant in Korean. This consonant is, and it's called empty consonant or placeholder because it has no sound of its own. It's just there to fill the consonant spot. When we put this consonant in front of a vowel, it simply holds the consonant position, allowing us to hear only the vowel sound. Because it has no sound, let's practice writing it first. To write this consonant, just make a circle. Easy, right? Let's do it one more time. Make a circle. When the placeholder consonant is combined with the vowel R, the syllable sound remains the same as just R. Let's say it together. No sound, R. Repeat after me. R. 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 Now, when the placeholder is combined with the vowel A, the syllable sound is still A. Repeat after me. No sound, A. 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 So remember, when you see this consonant at the start of a syllable, it's silent and simply lets the vowel sound come through without changing it. Now let's practice some more syllables. Repeat after me. No sound, O. So, O. O. And this one, no sound, U. So the syllable sound is U. 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 And another examples, no sound, E. 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 No sound, E. So, E. 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 Let's practice some more syllables. No sound, Ya. 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 No sound, Yo. 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 No sound, Yo. 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 No sound, You. 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 Let's practice some words. Now you can read some Korean words. Can you read this word? Yi, right? Yi. It means the number 2. Repeat after me. Yi. 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 Good job. Here's another word. Repeat after me. Oyi. This means cucumber. Let's say it together. Repeat after me. Oyi. 오이, 오이. Great. Now you know how to say cucumber in Korean. It's easy, right? Look at this word. This word means kid in Korean. Can you read? Let's practice saying it together. Repeat after me. 아이, 아이, 아이. Good job. Now let's remember that 아이 means kid. Here's another word to learn. This one is 우유, which means milk in Korean. Repeat after me. 우유, 우유, 우유. Excellent. So remember, 우유 means milk. Now let's learn one more word. This word is 여우, and it means fox in Korean. Repeat after me. 여우, 여우, 여우. Well done. Let's remember that 여우 means fox. Thank you all for joining me in today's lesson. I hope you found this video helpful for your studying Korean. If you enjoyed this video, I kindly ask you to support my channel by subscribing, liking the video, and enabling notifications to stay updated on future lessons. Thank you once again for your active participation, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. 감사합니다.